Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. After replacing the water pump and make tune up for the machine, let's go ahead and test it and make a espresso shot on it. Yeah, this machine I just calibrated on this tasting coffee. It's dark roast coffee, so I make it like you need to keep this thing to get the best shot. Depend on the coffee, how you like it, and you need to do like the water temperature for brewing, so you got the best shot with coffee. Let's go ahead and test it after I did calibrate it. So everyone, like I believe, need to calibrate his machine depend on his coffee, the coffee he used, and how he likes it. So 18 seconds, I believe it's good enough for this coffee, and I make it the grind, not coarse, not soft, and put it on 10. Let's go ahead down. That looks great. It's gonna be a really great shot. This one also in 30 seconds. So this is really great shot with crema, and it's really tasty too. So let's go ahead and test the steamer. That works perfect.